Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily delete audio from your Premiere Pro project. So to start with, you just want to open Premiere Pro and have your project open. Now as you can see, this is just a video I've done before. And how Premiere Pro basically works is you have half of this for the video and you have half of this for the audio. So as they're both connected, once you click on either one, they both get selected. But the issue you might have with deleting the audio is when you click on it to delete it, it selects both the video and the audio. Now this is because they're actually linked together. If you're making your own project, they may not be linked. If you've added your own audio in yourself, they probably aren't linked. If you've taken a clip that comes together with video and audio, it will come like this and they'll both be linked together. So the way to unlink it is to right click on it and select unlink here under enable. Now once you've done that, you can select just one or the other. So what you do from here is pretty simple. You basically just select the audio clip. If you want to get rid of all your audio from this clip, what we can do is we can just click backspace and it's gone. Now from here we can add our own sound effects or whatever we wanted to do to it, our own commentary over the top. And yeah, you can basically just do whatever you want with it. It's going to depend on what you're doing with your project. But I hope this video helped you and I hope you managed to delete your audio successfully in Premiere Pro. If you did, please comment down below that helped you and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.